Hello everyone. This video takes you to a walking tour to one of the most popular hotels in Shizuoka, Japan, where all those in-house facilities will bring you great experiences with a great view of Mount Fuji. Transportation cost, room rate, things to do, and scheduling during the stay are all explained in this video, so I hope you will like it. Following our prior stay in Izu Peninsula, we are traveling from Atami Station to Yaizu Grand Hotel now. The facility is facing Suruga Bay and Mount Fuji is visible from the hotel. The easiest way to get to it is to take Shinkansen bullet train and get off at Shizuoka Station. From Tokyo Station to Shizuoka Station, it takes 1 hour and 40 minutes. From Atami, it takes 22 minutes. This hotel is close to JR Yaizu Station, which is 12 minutes away from Shizuoka Station. Yaizu City is well known for its hot springs and seafoods, but I don't see so many tourists around here yet. This is where we are going today. Remember to book a shuttle bus through the hotel. The shuttle bus came right on time. Thank you for the arrangement. After 10 minutes of ride, we finally arrived at the hotel. This stone was made in memory of the stay of the former emperor and empress of Japan. Another reputation they got is their victory of the title on the most valuable all-inclusive service in Japanese hotels in 2024. This sheet is showing how we visited each facility. Since there are so many facilities to taste and soak, we should make an action plan, or you may miss some experience. This is what we paid for 2 adults and 3-year-old son. The price doesn't sound economical, but with all those services included, this is really worth it. We booked at EQ.com that gave us the lowest price. If you prefer to wear Japanese yukata cloth, choose your size and wear it during your stay. Our room is at the 5th floor. We chose a Japanese-style room with ocean view. Though the room is ready after 3 p.m., we can actually use other facilities such as lounges, so you can come early to enjoy their services as much as you can. Not only our room, most of the indoor facilities at the hotel are all Wi-Fi connected. Beautiful. Everything is clean. Our first destination is Yaizu Forest, where an iconic cafeteria is located. On our way, we walked through tea room and library for kids that was newly established. This is olive footbath. There's even a slope tram. That was loud. We watched this cafeteria on YouTube and glad to be here today. In the cute house in the nature, you can enjoy the sweets of the day with a cup of tea or coffee. Make sure you won't eat too much before the dinner. Such a great place to spend time. There is a playground for kids as well. Playing tennis will be nice before soaking in the hot springs later. Music room next to the foot bath and hot spring forest. Next, we came to Bay Terrace and Lounge by the lobby. Weather forecast is shown in the board. Visit outdoor facilities while it's sunny. Foods are prepared at many places inside the hotel. Again, remember we will have dinner soon. It's a relaxing place. I found a safe in our room. Before the dinner, we wanna try hot spring. Different hot springs have different property of water, so make sure that your skin has no allergy with the hot spring. Now, it's time to be full with their famous all-you-can-eat with 60 kinds of dishes. They have typical Japanese and Western style foods. Sushi can be ordered for 3 sets at a time, so finish it and come back and again like I did. Yaizu City is famous for their seafood, and they were all fresh. Sake, whiskey, beer, and wines are all available. A pot rice with topping. And add flavor soup to boil it for 10 minutes. This was so good. This restaurant is children friendly as well. The size of each suite is rather small, and that helped us a lot to taste all of them. How much calories have we gained today? Forget about it. Playroom is quite useful for families with kids so that the children won't be bored with the activities of adults. People are busy with board games too. Tea room is open for a limited schedule, so check the hours of tea ceremony if you want to join it. I see Japanese shogi chess along with autograph and pictures of famous players who we see on TV. So this hotel is also used for their official matches. Wow. Is that piano music I hear? What is she eating? Chocolates and ramen too, right after the dinner. I don't want to go home. Before going to bed, let's check out what this lounge looks like. A variety of green tea is available. That's right, Shizuoka is one of the largest tea producers in Japan. This hotel keeps me eating and drinking until I die. To sleep deep and sound, let me have the other hot spring. We gotta play tomorrow. Good morning, Suruga Bay. It's always better to come early before it gets crowded. I'm focusing on dishes with a lot of protein. I should avoid carbs to cancel what I had last evening. I should skip lunch today. Those teas are quite tasty. This lounge is newly built recently. I see another foot bath. Let's go there.
Mount Fuji. ほんま正面やな。
We just checked out at 10 a.m. now, but we still have 1 hour until the shuttle bus comes. Let's have another cup of coffee at the cafeteria. Nice old couple. It's time to leave. We all were satisfied with the services and program offered by this hotel. Here is a takeaway from our trip. I hope this video was useful as a tip for your future travel to Japan. If I made you interested in this hotel and Japan, press good button. Thank you for watching our walking tour.